Listen and read.
A. Become, die, great-grandparent, grow, marry. B. Become, became, to become a nurse, to become friends. Soon the sky became dark. John's father became a children's doctor. Die, dying, to die abroad, to die young. When did his uncle die? Sue didn't die. She lived to be 98. Great-grandparent. My great-grandparents. Where were your great-grandparents born? How old are your great-grandparents? Grow, grew. To grow up. To grow up in a big city. To grow up together. To grow vegetables. Where did your mother grow up? Polly grows beautiful roses in her garden. Marry, married. To marry young. To marry again. To be married. To get married. Are Jim and Rose married? When Jane's husband died, she married again.